Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, I'm going to make this delicious cumin lentils with chicken. I mean, it's really, really, really delicious, this one. Middle Eastern, Arabic-esque. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's get started. So I'm using chicken legs, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you could be using chicken thighs or something. I'm just going with legs. Very simply, we're going to start by frying this in some olive oil and just some salt and pepper. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here with some olive oil in it. Very simply, we're just going to grab our chicken legs, bone in, skin on. In they go. And then we're just going to season them with salt, some black pepper, and we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side on a medium heat. I'll be flipping it a few times. Okay, off goes the heat and out comes the chicken. We're going to set that to one side. Now don't panic if you think that your chicken's not cooked properly, because we've still got to cook it a little bit again. It's going to be fine. I'm going to keep some of that oil, about half of it, but first let me show you the other ingredients. So I've got 1 pint here of chicken stock or broth, 2 decent sized tomatoes chopped, about 3 cups here of cooked green lentils, 1 onion sliced, nice tablespoon there, maybe a heaped tablespoon actually, of garlic. These are teaspoons each, green cardamom powder, chili powder and coriander powder. That's a tablespoon of cumin powder. Let's get back to the cooker. So I've reduced that oil down by about 50%, but nice to use it, it's got some lovely flavours in there. We're going to start by dropping in our onion, and we're going to go just for about 4 minutes on and above medium heat. So we've been frying our onions for about 3 or 4 minutes. We're now going to add in the garlic. I'm now going to add in the lentils and the tomato. To that we're going to go with a tablespoon of cumin, a teaspoon each of chili, green cardamom powder and coriander, salt, some black pepper, and then we're going to cook this for about 6 minutes. We want those tomatoes to break down as they cook in. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so I've just turned the heat down to a simmer. Tomatoes are breaking down nicely, and you can see they give off a little bit of moisture. We're now going to add 1 pint of chicken stock or broth, whatever you call that. Then we're going to grab our chicken again and get that in there. On goes a lid, and I'll be back on a simmer in about 15 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get that lid off there. Let some steam out. That is looking really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Let's get some cilantro or coriander in there. That's a wonderful, wonderful dish. Let me get that on a plate for you. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful. I'll just top that off with a little bit more cilantro or coriander. Really, really delicious. Nice and tender, that chicken. Beautiful. Those cumin lentils are delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up. It helps us out a great deal. And more importantly, leave a comment. Let us know that you're good. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.